Fusion 360 assembly tutorial. It is always good that you save the file locally to your computer. On that way, you can overcome the 10 file editing limit of Fusion 360 free version. At the beginning of the new assembly, you open a new design. Then you must save it before you drag and drop Fusion 360 file to the assembly. Here I am giving the assembly file a name, OmniWheel. So this will be the name the assembly file will be saved on. You can drag and drop file unless it is saved in this way. So the first part I will drag this connector. Now the first thing I would do is ground this part so that it is static. As you can see, the option I choose ground. The next part is this Omni frame. I'll choose this one. Just drag and get it out from the inside the part. Then I will make it in an angle where it is possible to choose the joint. So in this case I have more better visibility. I can see some of the sketches is still visible, so I will turn the visibility off, the sketch visibility off. Now we'll copy this part and paste for the second copy. As you can see, the second copy is just pasted inside the part, so I need to take it out. So this is the optimum angle. It will help me to choose the joint feature. Okay. Now with the joint command, I'll check the center of the screw hole. Now need to flip. As you can see, it has aligned perfectly with all the four screw fixtures. Okay. Now the second one. Joint. No. Flip. Okay. Now as you can see, the job is almost done. Now this roller pin. Same like last time, drag and drop. And make sure the parts is not inside in another part. Then get it in optimum angle. Again. We need this roller joint as well. The roller joint, you can see the sketch, so I turn off the sketch visibility. I will copy this because that need to be both sides. Flip. As you can see, just flip this side. Now the other one. Okay. So this is the current condition. Let's zoom in. And that's 0.44. So we have some clearance. We can see the joint visibility, so I'll turn off the joint visibility just for better presentation. Now we will copy the pattern, copy the part in a pattern mode. So pattern, circular, not bodies. These are components. So which is this component, roller joint second, axis. It's gonna be this axis. We need 8 of them. So as you can see, our wheel is completed. Now we will put the wheel shaft. This wheel shaft is for, it works as an adapter for the TT motor. As you can see, the TT motor shaft goes in and the other side get connected with the Omni wheel. So flip. Okay. Now to drag the TT motor. As you can see, for some reason, the location of the TT motor is far beyond. So this is the Omni wheel, as you can see, barely you can see, and the TT motor is there. So if we just drag it close, That looks all right. Zoom in. We'll copy this circle with this circle. Get the part a little bit closer. Minus 0.44. I need to get it more out, so I will just edit it, edit the joint, get the better visibility. So minus 22 seems appropriate. Yes. Now I will do a presentation from design, new drawing from design, full assembly. Okay. I did a mistake. I'm supposed to choose A2 regardless. So I will get shaded view with northeast isometric, and the scale should be 2:1. Okay. Then the next view, let's check the projected view. It is angular, so I'll just create another base view. This time slightly bigger, 1.5:1. Seems alright. And visible edges. Then print. We can print it in a PDF format. You also can change the paper size as well. So like this one is printing in A4 size paper. You can change the paper orientation as well. So I will keep it in landscape. Microsoft Print to PDF, current sheet, A4, print. So I have already done the pre-printing. So this one I will give a Mechanum well. I don't know if my spelling is right or not. So I'm keeping C. As you can see, the full drawing in a presentation format. You can modify this according to your need. That's all for today. I will leave the file in the comment box. So please do not forget to like, click, subscribe, and share. I'll see you at next time. Thank you.